day, everyone. This is the Igbo Tutor live. We agree to meet today as usual. So, wherever you are, begin to join now as we do this together. I am the Igbo Tutor. You are welcome to class. This is the Igbo Tutor. We agree to meet every Saturday, 2 p.m. Nigeria time, 1300 GMT to talk Igbo language. The title of our live session is always Let's Talk Igbo Language Live. This is the Igbo Tutor, Mazi Okafor. So wherever you are, and you are interested in learning Igbo language free of charge, this is where to be every Saturday by this very time. Ndewo, nwada Adaeze, eze nwa, ndewo, maka ịbịa na class n'ụbọchị taa. Welcome to class. So wherever you are interested in learning Igbo language, this is where to be this moment of the day. Here, we treat Igbo language, we talk Igbo language, we teach Igbo language, we discuss Igbo language, we deepen your understanding of Igbo language. So, wherever you are in any part of the world, and you have any reason whatsoever to learn Igbo language, you are married to Igbo, you are engaged to Igbo person, as a fiancé or fiancé, you are born by Igbo parents, you have Igbo business partners, you have Igbo friends around, you're a lover of Igbo language, you are interested in learning Igbo language for whatever reason, this is where to be. Here we meet every Saturday by 2 p.m. Nigerian time, 1300 GMT to learn and speak and talk Igbo language. So even if you are not subscribed to our channel, but you are interested in learning Igbo language or evaluating your level of progress in learning the language, why not? Come on board. Let's learn Igbo language together. So wherever you are, see me now in any part of the world, in Africa, in Asia, in China, Malaysia, in UK, USA, wherever you are, you see me now, this is where to be. Here we'll learn Igbo language free of charge. So why not join us now? Even for fantasy's sake, join us and learn Igbo language. You are sure going to learn one or two things that will be of help to you even as we move on. So as you come on board, the first thing to do is to drop your greetings. Let's recognize your presence. That is a way of marking your attendance. Then we go on, you have to hit the like button, hit the share button, so this video can go out to more people to join us as we begin this class today. Then don't forget, if you're a new timer in our class, you have to hit the subscribe button to our channel. If you want to join our channel membership, it's open for you to join also with added advantages. So take advantage of these things now and be ready to participate fully. How do you do that? Get your writing materials, be ready to answer teachers' questions, and even challenge yourself as you learn together. Let's do this now. Now I'm waiting for you to begin to join the class right now, so we don't need to, waste other people's time, especially those who are going to watch this video later on when they are uploaded to our YouTube channel. It's important we don't keep people waiting for long. So we have our time scheduled, we have our date, we know it already. It's important we join up early enough so that we don't keep people waiting endlessly. So wherever you are for this class, biko, bịa ka anyị sụọ asụsụ Igbo, bịa ka anyị mụọ Igbo, bịa ka anyị kparịta ụbụbọ, kpaa nkata n'asụsụ Igbo. Igbo amaka, Igbo dị mma, biko na ụmụnne anyị ka anyị mụọ asụsụ Igbo. Olee ebe ị nọ? Nwafọ Igbo nọ na Nigeria, nọ na America, nọ na UK, nọ na Malaysia, nọ na ebe ọbụla na mpaghara ụwa niile, ebe a ka ọ na-akpọtụ akpọtụ, ebe a ka ọ na-ada ada, ebe a ka anyị na-asụ asụsụ Igbo, na-amụ Igbo, na-ewulite okwu Igbo elu. Igbo agaghị anwụ, Igbo agaghị ada, Igbo ga-aga n'ihu. Ya mere ebe ọbụla ị nọ, biko sonyere anyị n'oge a ka anyị mụọ asụsụ Igbo. As you are joining us, please don't forget to hit the like button, hit the share button if you've not done that already, and then subscribe to our channel if you have not done that already, and be ready to participate. Have your writing materials, participate fully, and learn as you participate. So you are welcome to this class. Good morning, Tutuoma. If you are in any part of the world where this is morning, like USA, this should be morning in America. So Tutuoma know that is what I say to American people. If you are in UK, this should be afternoon, I think. Yeah, but here in the UK. If you are in any part of the world where this is evening, and soon okay, if you are in any place where there is night already, and I'm saying, abali omano, yagazie kachifo no kaimo asuso Igbo. You are welcome. So, Kaisha Hawkins, you're welcome to Igbo class, live Igbo class. Princess Ezenwa, you're welcome to class. If you are in the class, drop your greetings. That is the only way we can know you are here. That's the only way you can mark your register when you drop your greetings. Please confirm if I'm audible enough as we are taking off right now. Confirm I am audible enough. You can hear me very clearly. Please confirm that. Princess Ezenwa, please confirm I'm audible enough as class picks up now. Yeah, am I audible enough? Just confirm that. I need to start the class right away. Yes, waiting for your response. Kaisha or Ezenwa, confirm I'm audible enough because the class is starting right away. Yes, waiting for your response. Am I audible enough? Can you hear me clearly? Waiting for your response. Princess Ezenwa, Kaisha, confirm you can hear me loud and clear. I'm waiting for your response before the class will begin. Yes, waiting for your response. I want to be sure I'm not talking to myself. Yeah, I'm waiting for your response. Am I audible enough? Kaisha, Princess Ezenwa, you are the people I can see now. Please confirm I'm audible enough. Yes, I can hear you, Princess Ezenwa. That's confirmed. Great. So we move on now. I don't want to wait for anyone. We have our time. So those who are here on time are ready to learn. They are serious with what we are doing. So we can't keep them waiting at all. We have been dealing with Igbo verb game for the past 2 weeks now. And what do we mean by Igbo verb game? We pick Igbo verb and we try to toss it around and use it in different scenarios and under different circumstances so that you can understand how Igbo verb can transform from one thing to another and how they apply in sentence usage. That is what we began doing 2 weeks ago, and we're proceeding from that where we stopped. So, Christabel, okay, I'm very serious. Thank God you are serious, Christabel. Okay, Kaisha, you can hear me? Great. So let's move on now without wasting anyone's time. Can someone remind us of what we did in our last Igbo verb game? Anybody that was in the last class? Anyone here? If you are in the last class, can you indicate and say, this is the last Igbo verb we considered in our lesson last Saturday? Anyone here? If there's none, I know you are all new to this lesson series because Ezenwa was not here last week. Kaisha was not here. You are loud and clear. Okay, Kaisha was not here. Christabel was not here last week. So I don't think these are all new people. Please let me remind you. For those of you who are joining for the first time, there are rules you observe here. First, you hit the like button when you join our live class. Second, you subscribe to our channel. Two, the third, you'll be ready to participate. Have your writing materials and then contribute as we go on. Drop a greetings to us in the chat so we can know you, recognize your name, welcome you to class. Like I have Kaisha, I have Christabel, I have Princess Ezenwa. I need to mention your name also like that. That makes it a live class. So we can talk to each other even though I can't hear you. But you can hear me, I talk to you and mention your name. That is what makes it a live class. Okay? So if you don't drop your greetings, there's no way I can pick your name. So endeavor to do these things I said so far, right? If you have not hit the like button, you are not showing support and solidarity. You are not showing appreciation to your teacher. Okay? You hit the share button so that this will go out to more people to join the class. Then you subscribe to our channel if you have not done so. Jennifer KK, greetings. No, na class Anita. These are new people I'm seeing today. So please do the needful as you join this class. I assume that those of you who are here today, at least for those who are joining now, you are not you are not in our class last Saturday, so you wouldn't know what we did last in our Igbo verb games. So I need to remind you. The last Igbo verb we dealt with last week was che, which is think. And we tossed it around to use it in different scenarios so they can transform from one thing to another. That's what we're dealing with now in this live series. So we continue from there. The next word we're going to consider today is chere, or chere, not chere. The rule is this: I give you the verb. You first decode the meaning of the verb. We put that down. Then we transform the verb into different scenarios, like past tense, and then give it present continuous, past participle. Then we'll give it a command. Use it in different scenarios to see how the verb can change from one form to another, and see how much you can recognize them. And we make simple sentences using them in those scenarios. So that is exactly what we do. Okay. Are you having something here? Want to do something here? Now? Or you can do it there? Is it plenty? Okay. I'm actually in a meeting. What do I do? Are you many? How many of you? 6 of you. Then I have to relocate. Let me use my office. No problem. Is your place? Hold on, please. Hold on for me, please. A minute. Just a minute. I moved to somewhere else. Okay. Just hold on. Just a minute. Sadiq, bring the chair for me. Hold on, please. I need to relocate. I'm distracted somehow from where I am, so I need to relocate to somewhere else. Okay. Where do I stay? Can you put back it here? Let me see how this image is. Oh, no. Maybe under this place. Let me see how. And this place is a little bit fair. Yeah, this place is a little bit fair. It's better. Hello. Hold on. Bring another. Do we have stew there? Okay, we are moving on. Sorry about that. There's a distraction, a little bit distraction, and I was a little bit interrupted by some people, so I need to go on here. Sorry about that. I hope you can still see me. Hello, this is the Igbo tutor. So those of you who were in the class before the interruption, we're sorry about that. We're moving on with this class now. I hope you can still see me because I need to, relocate to somewhere else because where I was, something happened that I need to leave that particular place to somewhere else. So please, sorry about that interruption, but I believe you can still see me where I am right now. Let's do this here. I was talking about where we stopped last week, and then I said we have to continue from where we stopped last week. And then I said we're beginning with our new word today. Remember, what we're dealing with is Igbo verb games. and we'll be continuing from where we stopped last week. What we do is when we pick a verb, we analyze it, use it in different scenarios, and then make simple sentences with those verbs so that we can understand how best to use them. So we are looking at today's word, and the word is chere, which is wait. Chere, wait. Can you bring it? So we will now look at, eh? Maybe I use what I'm using. Don't worry. Don't worry. Now we're talking. The word we're looking at is chere, which is wait. The meaning of the word. Because what we do is we pick a word, we now pick the consider the meaning of the word, and then use it in different scenarios, right? So the word we have chosen now is chere. That is the Igbo word, and we say the meaning of chere is what? Wait, right? Wait. So let's see how we can use this word chere in different scenarios. We're going to convert this word to past tense, then to wait. What is that in Igbo? Then we now talk about we wait. What is that in Igbo? We now talk about is waiting. How do we write that in Igbo language? And then we now look at a command, go wait or go and wait. How do we write that in Igbo language? So these are different scenarios where we consider using the same word, chere, as the parent Igbo verb. Remember, we're talking about Igbo verb games. So, and then the word here is chere, wait. Let's continue from here. Chere is wait, okay? What is to wait in Igbo language? To wait. Can somebody help us to write that in Igbo language? To wait. What is that in Igbo language? To wait, okay? Zo and Young, you are welcome, okay? Who is this? Sunshine, you're welcome to class. And then so many other people who have not seen before. Jennifer, okay, Jennifer, you've been in the class before. Keisha Hawking, okay, that's fine. So what is the word to wait? Can somebody write it for me? To wait means what? To wait means what? What is the word wait? Yes? Somebody write that for me. To wait. What does it mean? To wait. Yeah, I'm waiting for you to write it for me. Who will write this word for me? To wait. What does it mean? To wait. I'm waiting. Who dropped that for me? The meaning of the word, the Igbo verb, the parent verb is chere, wait. So what is to wait in Igbo? How do we write it? To wait. How do we write to wait in Igbo language? Yes? Who is helping us out? Who is helping us out now? How do we write to wait in Igbo language? How do we write that? To wait. To wait. How do we write that in Igbo language? Yes? Who is helping me? No one is helping me to write this. To wait. Does it mean that all my students today are not conversant with anyone at all at all? My class captain is on here. Assistant captain is on here. Okay. Kayima has written something. Okay. Zoanyon has written something. Ichere. All right. That's good. Ichere is to wait. I agree with you. To wait is ichere. Okay. Now, what about waited? Past tense of wait. How is it written in Igbo language? How is it written? Past tense of wait, waited. How is that written in Igbo language? Yeah? Try that out now. Waited. Okay? How do we write that in Igbo language? A challenge. This is Igbo language challenge. How do we write waited in Igbo language? Yes? Chere, chere. I don't understand. Princess saying when you wrote chere, chere is also the same thing we wrote before. So what is different between what you wrote, the original word, and the one you wrote now? So I didn't see any difference between the one you wrote now and the one that is past tense. Okay. Somebody wrote Kuwait, wrote Chia. This is very funny. Now, Zoa Young wrote Chere, the same Chere again. I don't know what is wrong today. Anyway, you are trying your luck. So know whether you're going to hit the answer. Chere, the same chere again. First of all, Kiara or Kiana. Is it Kiana? Kiana Webb. Okay. Kiana. I need to know your actual name. Is Kiana your actual name? Woo! Is Kiana your actual name? I don't know. I need to know your actual name. Kiana Webb Robinson. Is that your name? I need to know your real name. I need to know if that is your name. I take it to be your name, Chiana. Is this is this my sister, Barbara Lieba? Are you the one, Sunshine? Barbara, are you my sister I'm looking for? Barbara, are you the one that came in as the Sunshine? Let me be sure. Is that Barbara Lieba? Because that is your picture. Barbara, are you the one? I need to be sure you are the one. Okay, so your name is actually Kiana. Kiana, which part of the country or world are you? You want to learn Igbo language. I need to know, where are you from? And why do you want to learn Igbo language? Talking about Kiana now, I appreciate you learning Igbo language with us. We are happy for that. But where are you from and why are you learning Igbo language? That is my question for Kiana. Okay, you've all tried. Is your connection okay? My connection, okay? It's my real name, okay? That's fine. That's fine. Okay, I was asking Kiana of something about where she's from and why she wants to learn Igbo language. I need to know. And I was asking Sunshine whether she's Lieba Barbara that I know before or not. I want to be sure of that. So you've all tried writing what you think is chere or chere. The actual word for waited, the past tense of wait, is chere. Is double E. Oh, chere. It's not chere again. It's CH double ERE. Chere. That is the word. Please take note of that for those of you who are writing. Oh, yeah, that's my sister, Barbara Lieba. Long, long time. You went to UAE and you forgot your teacher and everybody around here. That is Lieba for you. She went to UAE to enjoy herself on a holiday and she forgot her teacher. She promised to bring something for her teacher and she did not. She ran away and they didn't want me to see her again. Thank God you are back here today. Don't forget to give me my gift you brought from UAE. I did not forget. Okay, chere. That is the right word. Chere. Waited. Great. So we'll move to the next one. We wait. What is the Igbo word for we wait? We wait. We're doing Igbo verb game, using one Igbo verb in different forms and transforming the meaning from one thing to the other. We wait. What is the Igbo word for we wait? Yes, we wait. What is the Igbo word? Somebody should help me out. Zoa and Young. I think that's Ikechuku, if I'm right. I think that is Ikechuku. Okay. Barbara Lieba. Of course, I said it. I said Barbara Lieba. I know you are the one. Okay. You went to UAE. You forgot us. You went to enjoy yourself. But you are back now. Please bring your teacher gift. Bring your teacher's gift because you promised to bring something from me, from UAE. Okay. So we are moving on now. We're talking about the next Igbo verb, we wait. What is the Igbo word for will wait? What is it? Okay. What is it? We wait. You know, Deborah, I know your face. So once I saw you, I know you are the one. We'll wait. Mhm. We'll wait. Not we will wait. I said will wait. What is Igbo word? Will wait. Present future. Future tense. Will wait. Okay. Will wait. Future tense. Not we wait. We wait. Not. I say will. WILL. And then wait. Will wait. What is the Igbo word for that? What is the Igbo word for that? Will wait. WILL. Then wait. Will wait. Future tense. Okay. What is the Igbo word for that? Yeah. Waiting for you. Who is helping us out? Who is helping us out? Will wait. Nobody? Ga Echere. Oh yeah, Zo and Young. That's great. You are helping out today. Very well. I love that. Ikechuku. How old is Ikechuku? If I'm right. That is Ikechukwu. It's just joined. I just joined. Okay. Who is this? Gatun Dike. Dike, you are welcome to class. No, not class here, Igbo. This is free Igbo class. Every Saturday, 2 p.m. Nigerian time, 1300 GMT. Block it off your calendar and timing, and always be ready to join us every Saturday. Thank you for coming in, Dike. Strong man, that is Dike. Okay, we move on. Somebody has answered the question right. We wait means ga echere, ga echere. Oh, ga echere. That is Dike. That is the right answer. Will wait, ga echere. I love that. So the next one is waiting. What is the Igbo word for is waiting? Remember, we are doing Igbo verb game. We use Igbo verb in different forms and see how they transform from one thing to another and having different meanings and different usage according to their different meanings and usage. So we're talking about now is waiting. What is the Igbo word for is waiting? No be. Okay, no be Ikechukwu. Oh. Is it Chinonso? No. Is it Chinonso? I think it's Chinonso. Please confirm. Zo and Young, is it Chinonso? Is that Chinonso? I'm talking about is waiting now. Is waiting. Okay, Chinon, I think Zo and Young, I think that should be Chinonso. Please confirm if you are Chinonso. You have confirmed that we wait or is waiting. Is waiting. Is I don't know how to spell in Igbo. Okay, you don't know how to spell. That's why you are in Igbo class now. Just be listening and be looking at what other people are writing. That's why you are in live class, so you can know how to spell. But if you want to have a direct teaching, one-on-one, we also offer, one-on-one direct live teaching. If you want that offer, you can contact us for that. Drop a request in our email box, which is the igbotutor@gmail.com. If you want one-on-one direct live teaching for yourself. Otherwise, you just listen for this free class, follow what others are doing, and then you will learn one or two things. Okay, so that is how to start. Okay, and you also watch our previous videos in our homepage, and then get yourself acquainted. And then for those who are joining for the first time, and those who don't really know how to, start, and who don't know how to write, we also have a lot of materials that can help you. Talking to DK now, we have special ebooks meant for new students, those who are newbies in Igbo language. We have special ebooks for you. These ebooks are made specially for first timers, newbies, beginners in Igbo language because they are made in a unique way. They have text, pictures, and audio all in one. And these ebooks, when you buy them, it's downloadable. You will download the audio of the ebook, and then the audio will be with you, reside in your phone or computer memory, and you can listen to them offline. Okay, you will listen to them offline. In that way, you have a book to listen to read. You have the voice of the teacher talking to you and explaining the book to you, and then also guiding you with the right pronunciations and everything you need to know about the book. These books are what you need today as beginners. And how do you get the books? Very simple. Subscribe to this channel, go to our homepage and click the channel description. You will see a link to our bookshop. You buy them up to there. We have about 11 or 12 books there, and they are very cheap, $1 to $3. You buy any of them. And with $25 or thereabout, you can buy all the books in the bookshelf. Igbo numbers, Igbo alphabet, two-letter words, Igbo verbs, daily conversation, whatever you want. They are all there. Go there today after this class and then get the one that is best for you. Okay? That is what I have for you. That is the effort we have made to help all new learners. So even this video live session and the previous ones, if you open the description box, you will see a link to our bookshop. Go right there and download as many as you want, as cheap as $1 to $3 for each of them. You get anyone you want. And then you have the teacher with you always talking to you in audio. The video is there, the text is there. You can print it if you want to print them out so they can hold them and read anyhow you want. They are all available for you. Okay? I could chat with you with. Of course, you ask whether I have something you can chat with me with. It's okay. Okay. Snapchat. I have WhatsApp. If you want to talk to me on WhatsApp, okay, WhatsApp. Talking to DK now. That's the only thing I have to communicate. If you want my WhatsApp, okay. WhatsApp number is also available if you want. Please send me email DK to the Igbo tutor at gmail.com. The Igbo tutor at gmail.com. Oh, you don't have WhatsApp. What else do I have to give you? Snapchat. I don't use Snapchat. I don't know it. Oh, okay. I don't have Snapchat. I don't know about Snapchat. I don't use Snapchat. I only have WhatsApp. What else do I have? WhatsApp. That's the basic thing I use to, chat. And then Facebook Messenger or anything like that. I don't have. I have Skype. If you want to use Skype, talk to me on Skype. You can. Want to talk to me on Zoom? You just let me know which one you want to use. Zoom, Skype, Messenger, WhatsApp, whatever one you want. Talking to DK now. Please make your choice. Send me email. Let me get better how to help you. The Igbo tutor at gmail.com. Thank you very much, DK. But don't forget to buy those books today. You will be glad you did. We are moving on, and we've talked about is waiting in Igbo language. And the is waiting is na eche or na echere. That is correct. That's correct. Okay. DK, are you talking about account? I don't know what you mean by account. DK, what do you mean by account? Are you talking about account to paying money for the books or something like that? If that is what you mean, you don't need to ask for my account. Go to my bookshop. Go right there. Click on buy, and it will direct you to where how to pay and get your books downloaded. It's as simple as that. You don't need to have my account. It's already in the website. The system takes care of himself. Okay. Like phone number. Okay, phone number. Okay, you want to have my phone number? I can give you my phone number. Okay. Um, I don't know. Can my class captain here, Igbo, can you type my phone number in the chat? I cannot type myself here now. Type my phone number in the chat. Okay? Okay? I use 3 phone numbers. Yeah, 3 phone numbers. Igbo, help me type my phone number in the chat so that DK will be able to have it. Yeah, I have real phone number. Igbo, type my real phone number in the chat. Please, DK, pay attention. Igbo will type my phone number for you now. I don't have any app that don't need real phone number except Skype. Skype. That's the only one that doesn't need a real phone number. I don't have any other one. So my phone number will be typed for you now. Please take note of that number. Igbo will type it for you now. Please take note of that so we can talk later over this. Okay? Okay, please listen and watch out now. Somebody will type my phone number here for you. We are going on. Is waiting is na echere. Okay? So then we'll go wait or go and wait. What is that in Igbo language? Go and wait. What is that? Go wait there. Go and wait. What is that in Igbo language? Yes, somebody help us. Igbo, don't forget to type my phone number here. DK wants my phone number. Please type it here now. Start with +234. Okay? And then for other people that need it so that they can get it right here. +234 80 805 62. All right? 62 8005 80 +234 805 62 80 673. Okay, type it here. That is the one I want you to type here, please. The one that I use for Igbo tutor was WhatsApp. Okay, but anyone is okay. Just give him anyone. Ga chere, great. Ga chere, that's perfect. Okay, that's perfect. Ga chere, I love that. Ga chere, go and wait. Go wait. That's perfect. Ga chere. These are all correct. So let's go back to the second phase of our discussion, which is making simple sentences with these verbs. Let's go back to that. Number one, chere, wait. Let's make a simple sentence. Wait for me, dear. Wait for me, dear. Wait for me, dear. That is the sentence. Write that in Igbo. Somebody help us to write that in Igbo. Wait for me, dear. Wait for me, dear. Somebody help me to write that in Igbo language. Okay? Igbo, you have not written my phone number. Somebody is waiting for it. DK is waiting for my phone number. Please give it to him now. Give DK my phone number. Type it in the chat. And for any other person that need it, that is important. Right? Please type that. And then someone should send me an email. DK, if you also want, the Igbo tutor at gmail.com. Just my channel name put together, the Igbo tutor at gmail.com. That's all. Right? We're talking about go wait for me there. So what do we write? Oh, wait for me there. That's what we're talking about. Wait for me there. Yes. Wait for me there. Yes. Somebody wrote something. What did he write? Cherem ebahu, Zo and Young. Cherem ebahu. Okay, great. Clement Emehe, you're welcome to class. Kiera wrote, Ndewo, Adam busy tata. Okay, the busy, somebody, negenti. Just be listening to us. That's fine. Just be listening. Nega and somebody. Yes. Kedo onye naga. Onye na-ede. Cherem ebahu. That is what Zo and Young has written. Any other person writing? Cherem ebahu. Yes, good. Cherem ebe. Or the one Princess wrote Cherem ebahu. Great. I love that. The class today is lively. Igbo, I will penalize you if you don't write my phone number here now. I say you should write my phone number here now. What are you waiting for? Okay? Type it here now. Somebody want to have my phone number. Type it here now. I will not continue this class if you don't do that. Okay? So, okay, people have written Cherem ebahu. That is the right sentence. Cherem ebahu. Wait for me, dear. That's very perfect. That's very correct. Cherem ebahu. Wait for me, dear. So if you are copying, write that out. That is correct. That is perfect. Second verb is ichere, to wait. Ichere, to wait. Yes, ichere, to wait. I want to wait for you. I want to wait for you. I want to wait for you. Okay. I want to wait for you. I don't know what you're waiting for. Princess Ezenwa, if Igbo cannot write my number in this chat, help me write it now. What is difficult in doing that? Ezenwa, go to my WhatsApp, copy my WhatsApp number. The number in my WhatsApp platform, the one we're using for Igbo tutor group and everything. Write it for me here, please. I don't know what is delaying Igbo from writing the number. What's your Skype? Okay, how many times will I write it again? We never see anything now. Where did you write it? Igbo, where did you write the number? I say put it in the chat section here. Has anybody seen any number here? I've not seen any number. Check it up. Besides, you check it up. That's what I saw. Where is the number? It's not here. Please, these people should help me check. Oh, where do you see my number written by Igbo? It's not in this place. Anybody see the number? Can anybody confirm? I've gone through. I didn't see anything. The only thing I saw is check it up. Apart from that, no other place. You see, nobody has seen any number. No number was seen. Everybody said there is no number written. Okay. Okay. Nobody has seen any number. So please do the needful. There's no number written yet. Do not write any number at all. Don't do transfer or send. Copy the number out and type it directly so that we can see it as a chart. Nobody has seen any number here. No number. Everybody say no number visible. So I did not see any number myself. Now the sentence is, I want to wait. Is that what we're talking about? Achorom icheregi. I want to wait for you. I want to wait for you. Okay? I said we should write that in Igbo. Somebody wrote. Let me see those who have written. Igbo. How many? Nah, Igbo. You they make me verse. So you never write any number. They say how many times you go write them. Nobody see any number here. So I'm going to the number the Skype issue. When you get my number, DK, we can talk about Skype. I will connect you to my Skype if we want that for further interaction, right? That's what I used to do my live lesson for people. I use Skype, I use Zoom, whichever one you want. Get my number first. Okay? Okay. Achọrọ m ichere gị. That is what Kiara has written, or Kiana rather. Achọrọ m ichere gị. Perfect. But Kiana, you agree? Okay, that's perfect. Who else wrote? Okay, Chiamaka. I haven't seen any number. Okay, Chiamaka. That is true, Jari. She never writes anything. Zoan Young, achọrọ m ichere gị. Perfect. Any other person? Samuel Nwokolo, achọrọ m ichere gị. Perfect. Who else? Okay. Igbo, you are not serious. So he said it seems like you have removed it. You are not serious at all today. Me and you go fight. I don't tell you already. Okay. So I'm sure I'm going to fight you today because you are not doing what I have to do. Okay. See, DK has already gone and you have not given this number. He has not. He has gone. You have not given him the number and he has gone. You are busy writing natural Michelegi. The number I said you write, you did not write it. I don't know what is the problem. Now, DK say, oh, he didn't remove it. Okay. So, no number is written here. Nobody saw any number. It's like DK has also gone. I don't know whether he has gone or not. I don't know what he's saying. He say, bye, see you soon. I don't know whether he has left the class or not. I don't know. DK, have you left the class? I don't know what you are writing. So, achọrọ m ichere gị. Igbo did not do well. Oh. The thing I say you should do, you did not do it. I'm not happy about that. Oh. So, achọrọ m ichere gị. I want to wait for you. Achọrọ m ichere gị. That is perfect. And that is correct. Everybody that wrote achọrọ m ichere gị, you are correct. I want to wait for you. That is correct. Okay, Chinyerobi, you are right. But I don't know why you wrote gay and then put another I by the side. I don't know what the second I is doing. Chinyerobi, that is not necessary again. Then let's go to past tense of wait. Chere. Okay? The sentence is I waited for you. I waited for you. I wrote the number also. It means something is wrong. I wrote the number also. Princess, you wrote the number and we did not see your own also. It means something is wrong. Maybe the system is not accepting number written here. I think so. Maybe the system does not permit number to be written here. Oh, okay. YouTube removed it. Okay. Maybe the chat does not allow numbers to be written here. I guess as much. So please, anyone who need any personal conversation with me should send me email to theibotutor@gmail.com if you want to have any personal conversation with me, or drop it as a comment under any of my videos. I will respond to it ASAP. Okay? Send me email to theibotutor@gmail.com or send it as a comment under any of my videos. I will respond to you very well without wasting any time. So it is obvious that YouTube is removing the number. They don't want that to be part of our chat. Right. So we move on. So I don't know whether DK is still around or not, or he has gone. So I waited for you is the next sentence we are looking at. I waited for you. I waited for you. Write that in Igbo language. I waited for you. Yes, somebody should write that. I waited for you. Who is writing that for us? I waited for you. Yes, Igbo has written. Who else is writing? I waited for you. For those of you who are joining this class, please hit the like button, hit the share button, share it to other people to also see and benefit from this lesson. Subscribe to our channel if you have not done that. And then, for those who are coming for the first time, it's important you buy the ebooks, special ones that you need. Surely, after this class, be sure you buy the ebooks because they will be very helpful to you to prepare you for further lessons, to give you a background knowledge, and to make your Igbo learning to be faster than you ever imagined. Buy the ebooks today. Very simple. Go to our channel homepage, click the channel description. It will show you the link to our bookshop. Click the link, open it up, go to the bookshop, select all the books you want, click download, buy, and then walk away. Text, picture, audio, all in one. Where else can you get that? We move on. Echere maka gị. That's what Clement wrote. Echere maka gị. Okay, who else wrote? Let me see those who wrote. Igbo. Echere gị. Zoan Young. Echere gị. Chinyere Obi. Echere gị. Good effort. Clement Emehe. Echere maka gị. No. What Clement wrote is like, I thought of you. No, that's not what we're talking about here. It's I waited for you, not I thought of you. So if you say Echere Makage, it is I thought of you. I thought of you. That's different. But in this case, it's Echere Ge. I waited for you. So those who wrote Echere Ge are all correct. Let me see those who wrote that here. Echere Makage, no. No. Barbara is not Echere Makage. That one is I thought about you or I thought of you. That's what you wrote. But I waited. Echere, double E. Echere gị. Echere gị. Okay? Or echetere gị. No, that one is remembering somebody. Okay, so take note of that. It's echere gị. Echere gị. Echere gị. I waited for you. That is correct. We move to the next sentence here now, which is we wait. We wait. I will wait for you. Let's use the same line of sentence. I will wait for you. So we see how they transform from one thing to the other. I will wait for you. Write that in Igbo language. I will wait for you. Yes, I will wait for you. Who is writing? Okay. Chirobi is writing echere maka gị. You are still writing, I thought about you. I thought of you. That's not what we're talking about. I waited for you. Echere gị. Okay. You wrote what is right before. I don't know what you're writing again. Or maybe you are repeating what I'm saying here. But we have moved on. What we're talking about here now is I will wait for you. I will wait for you. Write that in Igbo language. I will wait for you. Mm-hmm. Who is writing? Okay, Chinyerobi has written. Mm-hmm. Chinye has written. Yes. The rest you fire their own. Fire your own. Let me see your own. Let me see your own. Fire your own. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. Deyana Susibo. Deyana Susibo. I will wait for you. Write it in Igbo language. Ngwa. Osiso. Quick. There. I will wait for you. Write that in Igbo language. May you say so. Write it quickly. Write it quickly. I will wait for you. How many has written? Chinya has written. Kiana has written. I didn't say we wait. I say I will wait for you. Talking to Kiana now. You are writing Ani. No, I didn't say we. I say I. If I say we, it becomes Ani. But I said I will wait for you. So it's not Ani. Okay? I will wait for you. Who is writing? Emehe, Clement. Agamecheregi. Okay? Igbo.
Aga m eche gị. Okay. Kiana, aga m echere gị. Great. Igbo oyibo again. Aga m echere gị. Okay. Great effort. Great effort. Great effort. Princess, aga m echere gị. I love that. I love that. It's coming in well. It's flowing fast. Okay. Anybody still coming in before we mark? Let's mark now. Let's see. Who wrote first? Um, who wrote first? Chinyerobi. Okay. Aga m echere gị. Correct. Annie, of course, I corrected Kiana, and she has done correction too. Igbo, aga m echere gị. Correct. Emehem, aga m echere gị. Igbo, Emehem is now mixing it up. She wrote, aga m echere m gị. No, don't add M again. It's aga m echere gị, not aga m echere m gị. No. Who else? Aga m echere gị. Princess Enwa, aga m echere gị. Correct. You did say with them you switched to I. So I changed. Okay, so it was my error. Sorry, Kiana. It was my error. Kiana, I was asking you why you want to learn Igbo language and where are you from? You want to marry Igbo, you are married to Igbo, you are engaged, or you have Igbo boyfriend. Kiana, you refuse to answer my question. Abi, you don't want us to know. You are hiding it from us. You never know whether we can help you. You don't want us to know. Kiana, I say, why? Where are you from, and why are you learning Igbo language? I have people from Uganda. They are here, like Barbara. I have people from UK, US, everywhere, Asia, wherever, Austria, Germany. Why are you not proud to tell us where you are from? It's not any problem. Kiana, so do that for us now. Okay? Who is this? Nigerian soldier. Okay, Nigerian soldier, no. No, na class Igbo. You're welcome to Igbo class. Okay? Aga m echere gị, that's perfect. For Lieba, that is sunshine. Okay? Sunshine, that's fast. That's fine. I wait for you. Next is the word is waiting. On nature. He is waiting for me. Let me change it small. He is waiting for me. Okay? Yeah, Kiana, you got my message now. You got it. You are just dodging. Okay? He is waiting for me. He is waiting for me. Write that in Igbo language. He is waiting for me. Write in Igbo language. He is waiting for me. Write that in Igbo language. Yes, who is doing that now? He is waiting for me. Ngwa, oruwe n'omume. Dee ya n'asụsụ Igbo. He is waiting for me. He is waiting for me. Ngwa, dee ya n'asụsụ Igbo. Write it in Igbo language. He is waiting for me. Who is writing? Kinyerobi, what are you saying? Please, it's my son writing with you people because he is learning Igbo. Please bear with him. Okay, please, is my son writing with you people? Okay, is your son the one writing or is the one using your phone, Chinyerobi? Is that your son? Is that your son writing or you are the one writing now, Chinyerobi? Is it your son that is with us here or you? What name is he using? Is he the Nigerian soldier? Is that your son? I didn't get your yes. Are you the one or your son came in as Nigerian soldier? Which one of the two? Okay? Please clarify that. He is waiting for me. That's what we are writing now. Who is writing? Chinyerobi has written something. Yeah, who else is writing? Kiana Ngwa. Kiana that refused to tell us who she is. She wants to hide her identity. She don't want us to bust her secrets. Ngwan, Kiana, Sobade. Kiana, I hope you are going to buy our books when you finish our lesson today. How many are you going to buy, Kiana? How many? Let me know. I'm going to give you discount. Especially if you tell me you're going to marry Igbo person, I'll give you discount. Okay. Are you okay with that, Kiana? But you must buy more than two to enjoy discount. Okay? He is waiting for me. He is waiting for me. Somebody has written. Who else is writing? Only one person has written. Okay, two. He is waiting for me. Write it in Igbo language. He is waiting for me. Ngwade n'asụsụ Igbo. Write it in Igbo language. He is waiting for me. Okay. He don't have phone. He's using my email to join you. Okay. Okay. So it is your son that we're interacting with. That's fine. Boy, well done. Love you. Anyị hụrụ gị n'anya o. So I love those who learn Igbo language. Or wherever you are in any part of the world, you are my friend. Okay. So if there's any other help you want, send me email concerning your son, theibotutor@gmail.com. I welcome that. Okay. He is waiting for me. Who else is writing? I've already seen 3 people written. Okay. I've seen about 2 people written Dalu. Okay. Kiana. Kiana. If you are saying Dalu, you have not answered my question. You are saying Dalu. I don't know what your Dalu mean now. Okay. You didn't answer my question. I asked you whether I'm going to buy the books so that I know how many discounts I'm giving you. Say Dalu. You don't want me to give you my books, but I said you should tell me first. Anyway, we'll speak behind camera. You don't want them to know your secret here. Where? No problem. After the class, contact me. Send me WhatsApp message. Send me email. Let's talk behind camera. Okay? Kiana, I understand you again. Okay? He's waiting for me. Let's see. Let's mark. Let's mark. Anybody say writing? That married already. Igbo, the one of the other married already, whether there's anything for them. If you are already married, you are already enjoying Igbo people now. Enjoying Igbo food, enjoying Igbo everything, Igbo care. You are enjoying already. What else do you want? What else do you want? Although we can still give you discounts for something, okay? 1 or 2 things like that. Igbo, we have been helping you now. You give us assignment, we do your assignment. You ask question, we answer your question. That is the help now. We have been giving you the help. Okay. All right. So what else? Let me mark this script. It's like many people are not writing again. He's waiting for me. What do we write? Chinyerobi wrote on a chem. Okay, good effort. Igbo wrote on a cherem. That's fine. Who else wrote? Sunshine. Labor. On a cherem back perfect. Great. Igbo, okay. That's fine. Now let me say this. On a cherem and on a chem is the same. Except that in Chinyerobi's writing, she did not write perfectly. Or need to stand alone as a pronoun with dot under. All right? You don't combine it with anything. Or, Igbo, the same correction for you. Or we have dot under it. Then, na eche is an action word. It has to be combined with a hyphen na dash eche together. Action word na eche. That is the way somebody wrote it under, which is perfect. Igbo wrote like that. The cherem. Okay, so it has to be or standing alone with dot under it as a pronoun and serving as a subject of the sentence. Then that is Sunshine wrote it well on a cherem. That's perfect. But they are all need to be a capital letter. All right. So either you wrote on a chem or on a cherem, both are correct. Both are correct. Both are correct. Finally, go wait for me. Go wait for me. The sentence is, go wait for me over there. Go wait for me over there, or go wait for me there. Go wait for me there, or go wait for me over there. The same thing. Write that in Igbo language. Go wait for me there. Write that in Igbo language. That's the Igbo challenge. That is the Igbo challenge. We are dealing with verb game. Igbo verb game. We write Igbo in different forms, use it in different ways, test your knowledge of Igbo, how the usage can be applied in different scenarios. Okay, where are we? Go wait for me there. One, write it in Igbo. Yeah? Go wait for me there. Go wait for me there. Oh yeah, let's write. They and Igbo. Those of you who have not clicked the like button for this live session, you are not a friend of the Igbo tutor. If you have not shared this video, you are not my friend. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, you are not my friend. If you are not, if you have not bought my book before, you are not my friend. Just know that if you have not done any of this thing I'm talking about, you are not my friend. But if you have not done any of these things, you can still be my friend today. How do you do that? Just give me stickers. Give me speaker, super sticker, super chat, right? Give me super thanks if you are watching this video later. Either of these ways, you become my friend. If you don't do any of them, you are not my friend. You just like free food everywhere, only free. You don't know that there is nothing that is free. Somebody is paying for it. All right. Gachere ebe ahụ. That is what Igbo wrote. Who else is writing? Gachelum ahụ. Okay. Kiana, you try. Who else is writing? Princess. Gachelum ahụ. Good effort. Let's see. There are everybody. Okay. 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 You're talking about heavy vowel Igbo. On cherem, where do you see na is na is a light vowel now. Na, that is the vowel that comes after the pronoun. That is na. Na is a light vowel, so it's up without under. Let's go back to where we are. So I've answered your question, Igbo. So let's go on. Ga cherem ebe ahụ. Ga cherem ebe ahụ. Okay, fine. Kiana, ga chelum ahụ. Good effort, but not perfect. Any other person coming in before we mark now? Any other person coming in before we mark now? Okay, let's mark. Go wait for me there. All right. Let's see how many people wrote and what they wrote. Yeah. Boyibo wrote. Okay, she's still asking question. Princess Ezenwa wrote first. Gachelum aho. You should have added eba aho. Okay. Cherem is actually the central Igbo, not Chelu. Chelu is a little bit dialect, but the central Igbo is actually Chere, so it should be Gacherem Ebaho. So where you wrote, let's say why you wrote Aho alone, it's not correct. It's Ebe Aho, right? Ebe hyphen Aho. Okay, now Gacherem Ebaho, Igbo, perfect. Okay. Kiana, Gachelum Aho. I just done the correction on that. It's Eba, not Aho. I've also talked about Chelu as again Chere. Chere is the more central Igbo. Oh, Leba, Sunshine, Gacherem Eba Aho. Perfect. Perfect. Kiana, Gacherem Eba Aho. That's the correction. Great. I love all of you. We'll move on to the next verb. The next verb is Cheta. 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 What is the word? Cheta. First, type the word in the chat. Second, tell us the meaning. Cheta. Third, we now break it down. Okay. Let's begin now. Number one, the word. Kiana, what are you sorry about? I don't know. You have not offended anybody. What did you do? Why are you sorry? Kiana, what is the problem? I don't know. I don't think you have offended me or anybody for that matter. I'm only joking. So the word is cheta. What is the word? Type the word and tell us the meaning. Then we'll begin to break it and toss it around in the game of verb. Yeah, right, cheta. Who is doing that? Cheta. Yes, cheta. Who is doing that now? Who is doing that for us? Nobody is coming up. Or is it network? I think this network can be very funny. Very, very funny. Just swinging up and down. Yes, cheta. I'm very sure you people are typing. It's a network. Yes. Let's hope we regain full control of this network and then move on with the lesson. Cheta. That is the word. Cheta. Yes. Cheta. Write the word and tell us the meaning. Okay. Somebody has written Cheta. And everyone has written. Boyibo has written, which is remember. Great. I love that. I said the word and the meaning together. Everyone has done just that. The word and the meaning. Cheta. Remember. Okay. That is correct. That is correct. To save our time, let's move on to break it and use it in different forms. Right. Number one, remember, cheta. Number two, to remember. What is the word? To remember. Wadeya. To remember is what? Write it. To remember is what? Yes, to remember. What is that? To remember. Yes, Igbo has written Icheta. Yeah, of course, I am sure you cannot miss that. If you miss that, you get some strokes of the cane because you are a private student that have done some of these things very well. So I expect you to lead in this class and lead very well. Okay, somebody has written Icheta. Any other opinion? Kiana, Icheta. Okay, Kiana, you must be an Igbo girl. Oh. This one where they answer Kiana. It be like say no be your name be that. Oh. Kiana, just joking. Kiana, that no wonder you don't want to tell us where you come from. I must be an Igbo girl. Maybe you are answering name to confuse us, or you are answering your husband name. I don't know. Otherwise, you are writing beyond somebody who is not from Nigeria. Okay, so we wrote Icheta. Any other opinion? Two people have written Icheta. Any other opinion? Icheta. Yes, Kiana, I they catch you. I they catch you. Icheta. Right. Anybody else with any different opinion? To remember is what in Igbo language. Gịnị ka ọ bụ n'asụsụ Igbo? Igbo kwen. Ngwa ka anyị gaa n'ihu. Kedu onye ọzọ na-ede ihe ebe a? Ọ bụ na o nweghị ka anyị gaa n'ihu. I agreed. To remember means icheta. That's correct. That's correct. Number three, past tense. Remembered. What is the word in Igbo for remember? The past tense of remember. What is the Igbo word for remembered? Past tense of remember. Ngwa dee ya. Ọsịsọ. Deere m ya ọsịsọ. Igbo has written something. Chetara. Ngwa. Ka ebe ndị ọzọ nọ. Where are the rest? Where are the rest? Kiana. Eze nwa. Where una dey? Don't leave this class for Igbo. Remember. Past tense of remember. What is it? What day yours is oge na aga. Yes. Waiting for you. Remember. Past tense of remember. Write it now. Ebuloge. Don't waste any time. Ebuloge. There ya. Gịnị bụ remembered? Past tense of remember. Gịnị ka ọ bụ n'asụsụ Igbo? What is it in Igbo language? I've got response from only one person. Where are the rest? Kedu ebe ndị ọzọ nọ? Oge na-aga aga o. Eme ngwa. Emeghara ọdachi. Onye gaa n'ihu dee ya. They remembered n'asụsụ Igbo in Igbo language. Yes. I have response from only one person. I know other people are typing. This network can be very, very funny sometimes. Very, very funny. Yes. It can hold one back and mesmerize someone. That is Nigeria network for you. Igbo is a very good student. Of course, now, she dey pay money now. You know, be like some of you when no one spend money now. Igbo they spend money. She's in a private lesson with me. She's spending money to learn. You know, they joke. Some of you are very stingy. Akagom. Akagom. You will not buy ebook. You will not subscribe to membership. You will not subscribe to live private lesson. You no go do anything. Only free food. Now you want free lesson. That's why now I don't want to spend any money. Okay. So why would she not be on fire? She's using her money very well to learn Igbo. Igbo is important to her. She wants to chop ofe owere, ofe nkwobi, and everything. Ofe uba. She wants to go to Igbo land and mix up with everybody. No send anybody. You know. So okay, Anam na Oro Princess. Yes, yeah, no Oro. Okay, that's why. Okay, remember Chetara. Okay, good effort. Okay, Dominic Ekezie, ndewo n'asụsụ na klaasị Igbo. No, it seems to be the first time you are coming on to our live class. No. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Beginning with Igbo Igbo, Chetara, correct? Dominic Ezenwa Chetara, correct? Ezenwa Chetara. Okay, Dominic Ekezie, sorry, I missed it off. Ekezie, no na klaasị anyị. Igbo Igbo, daalụ nwanne m nwanyị. Okay, Princess. And no, okay, you're at work. That's fine. At least you try to join up. Sunshine, Chetara, all are correct. Remember, Chetara, you are all right. Let's move on. We are doing Igbo verb game. In case you are just joining us, we toss verb around, use it in different forms and under different scenarios, so that you can have a perfect meaning of the word and usage. We are going to will remember. What is the Igbo word for will remember? Will remember. Remember, if you are joining this new live class, the rules is that when you join, you click the like button, hit the share button to let this live session go out to more people. Subscribe to our channel if you have not done so, and then get ready to buy our ebooks to facilitate your learning and make you learn faster than ever through our links to our bookshop, which is available. If you want to know, you just ask for the link. We direct you. And then get your writing materials, write, participate in the class. Don't just listen and watch. Participate. That's the rule here. Right. So we remember, Ibo has written, any other person writing will remember. Okay. Who is this? Dominic is here. Anige Cheta. Okay. I didn't say we will remember. We're looking at one word. Will remember. Not we will remember. No, that's not what I say. Will remember. WILL. Then remember. Talking to Ekezie now. Okay. So any other person will remember. Just write the word. Will remember. Who else is contributing to this? The Igbo meaning. Let's see. I don't know if anybody is still coming in, but Igbo wrote ga echeta. That's fine. And then Dominic Ekezie 2. Sunshine wrote chetara. No, that's the one we finished. Dominic Ekezie wrote ndo ga echeta. Perfect. That is the word ga echeta. Will remember. Dominic, have you hit the like button for this live session? Have you subscribed to our channel? These are the few things we do. And you can also, if you think we're doing well and you need to support this to go on, you need to just give us super chat, super stickers to encourage us. We're spending money and time to do these things. We need to be encouraged. It's a free class, but nothing is free. Whatever is free has been paid by somebody. Somebody spent his money to keep it live, to make it free. So be part of that. Give us super sticker, give us super chat, give us super thanks if you are watching this later on when it's uploaded to our channel. Buy our ebooks. Use it as gift material to people, even if you know what is there. Buy the ebook so cheap, $1 to $3. You buy one. They have text, pictures, audio, all in one. You can't have it cheaper than that anywhere. Buy it, give it out as a gift to somebody, to a family that you know they have challenge with Igbo language. Give it as gift to them, and they will ever thank you. So do something today to support this project as we want to save Igbo language. We'll move on. Fine. Will, remember, we've done that. Ga, echeta, that is fine. The next one is remembering. Is remembering. Is remembering. Is remembering. Is remembering. Oh yeah. Okay. Is remembering. Is remembering. Right. Yeah, write that in Igbo language. I didn't say he is remembering though. Don't write that. I say is remembering. That word is what we are looking for. Okay? Okay. Ekeze wrote na echeta. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Great. Ekeze is on fire. Oh. I hope he didn't come here to take over the class captainship from Igbo Igbo. This man no gree. Oh. O kwechiri ekwechi o. O kwadoro akwado wee bịa. He prepared well before coming. Okay. Ekeze imere nke ọma. Daalụ. Isi ike. Igbo Igbo, what are you saying? Okay, na echeta. Igbo Igbo, I know okay, this man will not win you. He cannot come here today and win you. Na echeta. That's correct. That's correct. Anybody else trying? Anybody else trying? These two people have gotten the answer right. I think we should go straight to sentences because of our time. Let's see if we can cover this and cover one more today before we call it the date. All right. Let's begin. The sentences now. Cheta, remember. Remember what I told you. It don't happen. Remember what I told you. Write it in Igbo language. Remember what I told you. Dee ya n'asụsụ Igbo. O ruo n'omume. Ngwan, ka ị dee ya. Remember what I told you. Dee ya n'asụsụ Igbo. Remember what I told you. Ngwa dee ya n'asụsụ Igbo. Oga, o rue n'omume. It don't happen. Ngwa. Remember what I told you. Write it in Igbo language. Ebuloge. Write it now. Remember what I told you. This is the Igbo Tutor live. Mazi Okafor. We do this every Saturday, 2 p.m. Nigeria time, 1300 GMT. We call it Let's Talk Igbo Language Live. It's a live free Igbo language class open to everybody all around the world. Anybody that's interested. No fees paid. Free Igbo lesson. Course. Come on, wherever you are, see me now. Come learn Igbo language. Let's work together to keep this language alive and moving. Let's remind our children of this. Let's teach our fiancés, wife, husband. Let's tell our friends about Igbo language. Share it out today. Call your friend. Invite everybody around. Let's do this together. Now, we are looking at this particular word, remember, and the sentences. Remember what I told you. Write it in Igbo language. Who have done that? Let's see. Oh, Dominic Ekezie, cheta ihe m gwara gị. Igbo Igbo, cheta ihe a gwara m gị. Okay, good effort. I told Igbo Igbo, somebody is coming to take over your seat. Oh, this man no play at all. But Igbo Igbo, I still leave your position for you for now. Let's see how it goes. You are still the class captain today, but Ekezie seems to have come for a mission to dethrone some people here. But let's see how it plays out. Okay? But both answers are great, except for a little corrections I'm going to make. Anybody still trying to do something? Remember what I told you. Anybody still trying? Anybody still trying? Yeah. Anybody still making effort? Okay. If there is none, we go straight to Mark. We go straight to Mark. Remember what I told you. If no one else is trying, we go straight to marking now. Yeah. Write that. Okay. Okay, Sunshine has come. Cheta ihe gwara m gị. That's great effort. Sunshine, I feel like say you dey read your ebooks so very well. Okay. Lieba, it appears you are reading your ebooks very well. The ones you bought before. You have improved. Tell me the secret. Is it the Igbo books? Are you reading them while you are off? Because for a long time you've not come to class. Have you been reading your e-books? Tell us something. Talking to Sunshine. Can you answer that question, Sunshine? Yeah, I want to hear from you. Have you been going through your e-books since you are off live classes? How have you been reading them? Have you been going through them? I'm interested. Okay, let's see the responses. Ekezie cheta ihe m gwara gị. Good one. Igbo cheta ihe a gwara m gị. Okay. A little Charles ụbọchị cheta ihe m gwara gị. Great one. Except that Igbo cheta ihe m gwara gị, it should be M should come first before gwara, not at the back. Then the A you put after ihe a is not necessary. It's ihe m gwara gị. Charles ụbọchị cheta ihe m gwara gị. Your gị should have dot under the I. Right? That's what you should do. Sunshine cheta ihe a gwara m gị. Same correction for Sunshine. Ihe m gwara, the M should come before the gwara. Then the A is not needed there at all. Kiana, cheta ihe a gwara m gị. No, cheta ihe m gwara gị. Cheta ihe me, I, gwara gị, told you. Great. Next one, we are all on fire today. I love the class. Next one is to remember. I want to remember your name. I want to remember your name. Write that in Igbo language. Dee ya n'asụsụ Igbo. I want to remember your name. Ngwa ọsịsọ ka ide ya. I want to remember your name. Okay. I want to remember your name. Write that in Igbo language. Dee ya ọsịsọ. I want to remember your name. Write it now. I want to remember your name. Write it. Who is writing? Ubochi has written. Ubochi has written first. He has hit the ground running as he joined the class. Ngwa, what are the old timers doing? I want to remember your name. Write that in Igbo language. Ọsịsọ gade. Oge na-akụ kwapụ 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 kwapụ. That's how our time goes. Okay? Gotta go. Time is going. Okay? Let's see. Great effort. I love the people in the class today. You are lively people. Charles wrote, Nchoro icheta aha gị. Dominic wrote, Achọrọ m icheta aha gị. Igbo wrote, Achọrọ m icheta aha gị. Princess Ezenwa, achọrọ m. Oh, icheta afa gị. I know this is a typographical error. That you are choro, where you want to put O, you put P. I know it's a typographical error. Does anyone know what she's writing? Except that use afa as against aha. I'm going to respond to that when we get to it. All right. That's great work. Let's mark now. Charles Obosh, Nchoro, Icheta Hagi. All right, let's explain this. Some will say Nchoro. Some will say Achorom. Begin, it's just I want to, I do something, I am. Some would say beginning, some would say achorom. They put the M after remember or after want. Whether you write chorichadahagi or achorichadahagi, both are correct. But for central acceptance, achorom is more widely accepted than nchoro. Okay? Achorom is more widely accepted than nchoro. That is for emphasis sake and for lesson sake. Okay? So, achorom ichadahagi. That's SKZ, fine. Igbo, achorom ichadahagi. Very correct. Princess, achorom. I've explained that about princess. E-books are excellent. Great value and price. Oh, another here, so. Are you hearing it now? Listen to Sunshine's comment. The ebooks are excellent, great value and price. Did you hear that? That's what she had been reading while she was away, and that's why she's responding very well to questions today. So if you have not bought those ebooks, you are missing. I'm only advertising it for the sake of those who don't know it. Those who know it are already buying it. every day. When we upload new one, they will buy. By next week, we're uploading a new book. So if you are not buying, you are denying yourself, you are depriving yourself of a material that you need, which you can print and have it as a booklet. Download the audio and listen to it while you are going through the book. Double advantage. Makes you to always be with the teacher all the time, because the teacher is always talking to you. Anytime you open the audio, you hear me talking to you and explaining the book to you. One time purchase, one time download, not after you download again. And you can listen to the audio after download offline, even when you don't have data. You can print the book, listen to the audio offline without connecting to internet again. How much more do you want me to help you? And for just $1 to $3, you get one of them. How much more help do you want? So this is done in appreciation for all of you that are supporting this channel, not for the sake of making money. Get your own today after this class. Go to our channel page, homepage, and then hit the description box for the channel description, the main channel description. You will see a link to the ebook. Open the description of our previous live sessions. You will see a link to the bookshop. Open it up. Get your book today. About 11 or 12 books there. You can buy all of them for less than $30. All. Take my word for it. Can I have the ebooks? Why not? Say, can you have it? That's why I'm talking about it now. I want you to have all of them. Why won't you have them? I've told you how to get them. Charles Uboch. Did you understand what I said as to how to get the ebooks? Charles. After this live session, this video will be uploaded automatically to my channel. Go to my homepage, hit live, open our previous live sessions, open any of them, check the description box. You see a link to the bookshop. Go to our main channel homepage, hit the channel description itself. You will see a link to our bookshop. Open the bookshop, you see all the books displayed. Just click, select the ones you want into the box, into the basket, and hit buy. And there you go. They are all yours. Very simple. Why can't you have them? Have them today. Do you want to dupe you WhatsApp? Do you want to dupe you WhatsApp or email? I don't understand. Kiana, what do you want to say? You are asking, do you want WhatsApp or email? What do you want? Kiana, I didn't get your question, please. So, Charles Ubosh, please confirm if you understand what I said about how to access my bookshop. Did you get that? Talking to Charles now. Please let me know if you understand what I said on how to access the bookshop. Do you get that, Charles? I am waiting for your response. Then, Kiana, let me understand what exactly you are saying. I didn't get your text. I didn't get your chat. Can I understand what you are saying exactly? Yes, I'm talking to Kiana. I need to respond to what you say, but I didn't get what you said. Kiana, please do something to explain better. Okay. Why I'm waiting for your responses? I'm waiting for Charles' response. I'm waiting for Kiana's response to my inquiries and questions. Let's go back to the question. The question is Achọrọ m icheta aha gị or Achọrọ m icheta afa gị. I said Ekezie's answer. Charles Ubochi is the first person that wrote the response. Achọrọ m icheta aha gị. That is excellent. Igbo wrote Achọrọ m icheta aha gị. Excellent. Ezenwa chọrọ m. So that is typographical error. But afa or aha, which one should be used? Aha is the central Igbo. Afa is used by people from Anambra State mostly. They don't like to use aha. They prefer afa. So if you use afa, you are not wrong. But I'm telling you, the central Igbo is aha. Okay. Now, typo. I know it's typo. You don't need to say it. I know it's typo. You are more than that. Okay. Igbo said they are. I also get some. They say the books are excellent. I also get some. You can hear that. Okay. So you should know that we're not just talking about the books. Those who have bought it are the ones testifying. Charles, okay. Now, sorry, you asked me to contact you. Okay, to contact me. I say via email. Since my WhatsApp number is not here now, so it is email you're going to send to me. Send your mail to the igbotutor@gmail.com. Whoever wants any inquiries or any questions or personal contact with me, please send me email to the igbotutor@gmail.com. The Igbo Tutor is my channel name.
So you don't need spelling for that. Just make sure you combine the whole three words together, no space, and all small letters. The Igbo tutor at gmail.com. Send me mail today. Let me hear. Charles say, yes, I get it. I'll try to get some of the books. Thank you, Charles. Dominic said, Dalo, nkuzi obi ụtọ izute unu. Aga m azụta ebook. Thank you, Dominic Ekezie. Appreciate that. Do you say it's a one-time payment? Of course, it's a one-time payment. Once you pay once and download, you will now download the audio also, and the audio will be resident to your computer or phone permanently, so that when you are offline, you can always listen to me talking to you and reading the book with you in a way that you can understand the content. So I read the book for you while you're listening, okay, in clear Igbo tones and language. Okay, should that be WhatsApp or email? Send me email first, Kiana, so that I can now give you my WhatsApp number via the email discussion. Okay, that's what I'm talking about. So we go back to the sentence we are making. Actually, oh, I've done the correction. So we go to the next one, chetara, which is past tense of remember. Chetara. Let's deal with that now. O chetara. O chetara. Ebo sibia. O chetara. Ebe o sibia. I hope this is not too long. I hope this is not too long. O chetara. Ebe o siribia. This seems to be too long. Oh. I'm going to this sentence. I'm going to affect and then exclude many students from this sentence. It's too long. Am I too long? O chetara. Ebe o sibia. Is that too long? Is that too long? Okay, let's try it. Let's try it. O chetara. Ebe o sibia. Let's try that. Try that in Igbo language. Yeah. Don't mind my background. I'm outside. In fact, I'm in the factory. And I was in my office before. They came to chase me away because they were doing something there. And then I have to come outside, to find a space anywhere to stay and do this class because I don't want to stop the class because of those of you who have sacrificed your time. So I have to come outside and stay somewhere under the tree. As you can see, this is the premises. This is a factory premises where I work. But I have to do something. No matter where I am, I have to hold this class. It's a sacrifice I've committed myself to making all the time. So now we are talking about Chetara. Oh, I want to give you the answer. He remembered where he came from. Let me see what you are writing. All right. Let me see those who have written. Ibo. Chetara. Ebo Sibia. Great. Wonderful for Ibo. Dominic. Chetara. Ebo Sibia. Great. Ezenwa. Chetara. Ebo Sibia. These my students are on fire today. Oh. They no agree at all. They are on fire. They no agree. I tell you something. I love this. Wow. SN1 has improved so much. That's courtesy of our ebooks. Yeah. Ibo, I don't want to talk about you. You already are getting to become an expert. There's no doubt about that. Yeah. That's great. So watch. Watch it able see. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I just make a little corrections here and there. Okay. Ibo said, oh chetara. Okay. Oh chetara. Ebe o si bia. The errors in the Igbo sentence here is that she got to Osibia and began using light vowels instead of continuing with heavy vowels. All this sentence is made up of all heavy vowels. Ochetara, ebe, o, si, bia. Except bia is where we have light vowel in B-I-A. That's where we have light vowel. Otherwise, ochetara, ebe, o, si. All is heavy vowel, no dot under. Only bia is having dot under the I. Ubochi said, oh, chetara, ebo si bia. Perfect. Except your bia should have dot under the I. Charles. Chetara, ebe o si bia. Repetition. Ekezie, oh, chetara, ebo si bia. Perfect. 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 Ekezie got it. Perfect. Perfect. Great. We go to the next one. We remember.
will remember. I will remember you. I will remember you. Write it in Igbo language. There, n'asụsụ Igbo. I will remember you. I will remember you. There, n'asụsụ Igbo. I will remember you. Okay? I will remember you. Write it in Igbo language. There, n'asụsụ Igbo. I will remember you. I will remember you. Yes. We're going to end this class with this remember because the time is already getting too far. Most of us don't join class on time. Our time is 2 p.m. Nigerian time, 13:00 GMT. Let's always try to join the class on time so we can cover enough before the time ticks away. I don't want the videos to be getting to 2 hours. This is already 1 hour 30 minutes. Okay. Now, chetara ebo si bịa. We've done that. Aga m echeta gị. That is Dominic. Igbo. Aga m echeta gị. Great. Daniel. Nne m nwanyị. Daniel. Aga m echeta nne m nwanyị. Okay. Daniel, at least you are changing small today. You are moving from writing rubbish to writing something in Igbo. Thank God that God is touching your heart already. You are changing. That's great. So before you are always naughty, but today that's great work. I appreciate that. Okay, so who else is writing? Before we go to the last one, anybody still dropping the response? Anybody still dropping the response? I will remember you. I will remember you. Yes, anyone still trying? I will remember you. Yes. Okay. I know some people are still typing. Sometimes it's network wahala. It keeps people, waiting. Or it keeps people's comments hanging in the air, not dropping on time. So that's why sometimes I wait a little bit longer to have them come in before we mark. I hope it's not my own network that is the problem. I can see my bar very low. Oh yeah, my bar is low. Okay, that's picked up again. Okay. So anybody still coming in? I will remember you. Anyone still coming in with response? I will remember you. Okay, Charles Uboshi. Nge Chetagi. All right. So we can mark now. Let's begin. Who wrote first? Dominique Kezie. Agam Chetagi. Perfect. Perfect. Agam Chetagi. Perfect. Ibo. Agam Chetagi. Perfect. Nothing to talk about. Perfect. Charles Uboshi. Nge Chetagi. Perfect. But I guess you have dot under. Said if you write to use nga or agam, but I said earlier that agam is always better and more widely accepted than nga. Okay, Kiana Webb, you are laughing at me and Daniel, Abi. You know Daniel, you remember Daniel. Anyway, give me your response. Give me a response. Okay, we've done that. I think we now go to the last sentence for today. Is remembering. Is remembering. He is remembering the old days. He is remembering the old days. Write that in Igbo language. He is remembering the old days. Write it in Igbo language. All right, Charles. Getting the Igbo keyboard is not difficult. Don't go and buy any keyboard, please. Your phone, you can reset your phone to include Igbo keyboard. Go to language setting, language, go to keyboard, look for Kwati Igbo and select it and install in your phone. When you do that, your keyboard will be toggled between English and Igbo. So you hit the long bar, hold it down. You will have option of either English or Igbo to select. Then when you come to any alphabet, hold the alphabet down. It will give you options of Igbo alphabet and English alphabet. You select the one you want. Don't go and buy any keyboard. The same for your computer or laptop. You can install Igbo keyboard right there. Don't buy any new keyboard and learn how to use it, right? Talking to Charles now. Right. Okay. Now we're talking about he is remembering the old days. Yes. He is remembering the old days. This is the last sentence for today. We'll call it the dates. Ọ na-echeta ụbọchị ochie. That's for Ekezie. Charles. Ọ na-echeta oge gara aga. Good effort. Ọ na-echeta oge gara aga. Yes, I do. Yes, I do remember him. I know you are laughing, that boy, Daniel. He's always a nuisance. But I think our prayer is touching him already. He's repenting. So, so that's why I'm appreciating him. So, ọ na-echeta ụbọchị gara aga. Great one. Great work. Great work. Great work. Anybody writing here? Kiana, you're not writing again. You're tired. You are just learning and copying. You don't want to worry ahead again. You see, you have seen experts. So you just copy, they go. It's good though. Ngwan. Yes. Let's look at the responses from Charles. Ọ na-echeta oge gara aga. I know Charles wanted to write oge, but he wrote oga. I think it's okay. He corrected it again. Ọ na-echeta. Ọ na-echeta. The way to write it is the way Dominic Ekezie wrote it. Na-echeta is a compound word written together and joined with a hyphen. Na-echeta. That's where it should be. Ụbọchị gara aga or oge gara aga. Both are correct. Ụbọchị gara aga, oge gara aga, mgbe gara aga. All are correct. Okay? Kiana. Okay, Igbo. Ọ na-echeta ụbọchị gara aga. Yeah, they are correct. Ụbọchị gara aga, oge gara aga, mgbe gara aga. All are correct. Ọ na-echeta ya. And I want to appreciate all of you that came to class today. Remember, for those of you who promised to buy our ebooks, do that immediately after this class. We'll appreciate that. Those who have not subscribed to our channel, do that. Those who are still preparing to give us a super chat and super stickers or super thanks, don't forget to do that. They are all part of it. They all make it possible for us to have free classes because we deploy resources to have free classes. We research, we took our time to prepare, we buy data, we spend money for a lot of things to get these things done. But they are done courtesy of your support financially. So if you don't support us, there's no way we can give free classes. So do well to support us in one way or the other, either by super chat, super sticker, buy our ebooks, engage in live one-on-one classes. All these are ways you can support this channel. Many are doing that already. So we'll be encouraged to put in more effort. It's not easy to sit down here for almost 2 hours talking Igbo language. We need to be encouraged too, so that we can also take care of ourselves. So in any way you can support the channel, do that now. Even as you are running up, you can give us a super thanks as we round up by saying thank you with a super sticker, a super chat. We receive it. It goes into our account. So find a way to be a supporter of this project. Don't always come for free something. Nothing is free. Anything that is free has been paid for by somebody. Even salvation, Jesus paid for it. Nothing is free. So be a supporter, encourage us, and let this project move on. Igbo language must survive. Thank you for coming to class today as I round up today. Okay? So I'm learning from I know you are learning from your classmates. That's why you are not doing much again. You are learning and writing. Always come to class with your writing materials so you can write and then update your knowledge and have something to refer back to after the class. Of course, we're going to do videos as summary to post into our channel after these classes as a summary. We've done that before when we did Igbo conjunction. After we ended the series, we did a summary video into our YouTube channel as a reminder and a way of refreshing our memory. But you can as well write to help yourself as we move on. So thank you for being here today. See you next week, Saturday. Chukwu gozie unu niile. Ka emesịa. Yeah, go.